Now see what is the difference between chewing and chewing well. For this, do activity, try this together in class. Now you can try at your home because there is no school. So you have to do this, you have to try this at your home. Each of you take a piece of bread or roti or some cooked rice. Okay. Then next, put it into your mouth, chew 3 or 4 times and swallow it. Means you have to chew only 3 and 4 times, you have to swallow it. Did the taste change as you chew it? No, not much. It is almost the same. So write here. Next question. Now take another piece or some rice and chew it 30 to 32 times. Before that, how many times you have to chew? Only 2-3 times. And now you have to take another piece. Again you have to take one more piece of roti or rice and you have to chew it 30 to 32 times. Then, was there any changes in the taste after chewing so many times? See students, if we chew the food, the piece of rice and the piece of roti 30 to 32 times, is there, we can see the changes. Yes, there is a change in a taste. The food began to taste sweet when we chew more than 30 times. But previously, if we chew the food piece of food only 3 or 4 times, we cannot get that much taste. It almost the same. But if we chew our food 30 to 30 times, means more time, when we bite that time we will get different taste. Our food begin to taste sweet. Now see, discuss, has anyone at home told you to eat slow and to chew well so that the food digests properly? Why do you think they say this? See student, our grandmother, mother, grandparents always saying us to chew food properly. Why do you think they are saying like this? See, because if the food is properly chewed up by us, that it will be digest and we will get maximum nutrition. Okay, we will get maximum nutrition of food. So write over here the answer. So write answer, first answer here, because if we chew the food properly, then we will digest, it will be digest and we will get its maximum nutrition. Now see next question. Imagine you are eating something hard like a green guava. What kind of changes take place in it from the time you bite a piece and put in your mouth to when you swallow it? So for this student, now there is a season of guava. So you have to take a piece of guava means amrut means peru. So you have to take that piece of guava and you have to bite it and you have to observe and write your observation here. So I also ate a guava and I am going to write my observation over here. First, when I bite off a piece of guava, first it is hard and may taste somewhat bitter. After chewing for some time, it becomes soft and tasty and sweety. Means sweet. Our the saliva makes the food soft and help in its digestion. So write your answer here. When you have to you can write this like this. When I bite a piece of guava, it is hard and may taste somewhat bitter. After chewing for some time, it becomes soft and tasty, sweet, and the saliva make the food and help it in its digestion. Now see what is meant by digestion. Now we will look about digestion. What is meant by digestion? Digestion means to change food in stomach so that it can be used by the body. Due to food, what we get energy. Okay, and digestion change the food in digestive system. In digestion process, the food change into our stomach, and that can be used by our body. Now many organs work together and form a system of this digestion system and help us to digest our foods. So in digestion system there are lots of organ. That organ help us to digest our food properly, and due to proper digestion we get energy from our food. When we are eating, why we are eating? We are eating because we are hungry. We are eating because we like the different taste, and we are eating because we get energy due to the food. So we are eating for energy, and we feel it is very tasty. But what the food is doing inside our the body? We are eating because we feel tasty. Getting energy we eat, but what the food is doing inside our body? The food is giving us energy. Okay, when the food enters in our mouth, we chew that food, then we swallow the food, and then food enters in the stomach and it get digested, and when they digested we get energy from the foods. When we eat a food, it enters in mouth and it get digested, and when food get digested, it convert into energy, and we get energy from the food for maintain our body. Now see, think, what does the saliva in our mouth do? Saliva help us to mix our food, and it's make our food soft. And by using the teeth, due to the teeth help us to chew our food properly, and saliva help us to mix our food properly, and saliva make our food soft. So after chewing, the food enters in our stomach, then after enter the stomach, food get digested and we get energy. Okay, got it? Now see next topic. Now see, we will understand the digestive system, the function of the digestive system. Where do you think the food must be going after you put in your mouth and swallow it? In the picture given here, we will understand. When we eat food enters in our mouth. The food enters in our mouth and it goes straight into the stomach by using the